Okay, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to connect MySQL server with Node.js, and also how to validate data, and how to create a new row, create a new record in MySQL database using the HTML form which is connected with Node.js server. So first thing first, you need to install the MySQL. Just do this. We also need to install Node. We also need to install Express. So just like these are the three dependencies we need to have. And I also create a small um, database.js file which just shows like how to connect the data like database with Node.js. So what you need to do is create and once you install the MySQL, you'll be able to do this, and then you just need to add the host username, password, and etc. Now like we are executing this query which is just showing all the rows which are available in the database. So we can see node database.js, and here we can see all the rows we have. Now just to double check, we can go to MySQL, and if I here is the Uber, which is the database I'm using, and the table is customers. So if I execute this, you can see we have 8 rows, and all of them are coming here as well. Perfect. So now we are successfully connected with the MySQL server. What we need to do is create an Express server. So here I have quickly created it. You don't need to go all the way inside what's going on here, but just see like what happened when we run it. Close this. So server is running at 3 port 3000. So let's run the server. It's here. So we have the feedback form, and it has all the details which we need to add in our row. So let's just say my name is test, my address is test street, my email is test@test.com, and my password, my phone number is 123456790. Now if I click submit, you can see that your response has been recorded. Now just to double check, let's go back to MySQL, and if we refresh it and execute, so we can see the 9th row is added here with the test name, test street address, and all the details which we were given. So it's successfully added. Now what if something is wrong here, right? So let's suppose someone has added a wrong phone number. So this is not a 10-digit. So it will just pop up and say, please enter 10-digit mobile phone number. Now definitely we can prettify this with much more detailed, and we can beautify this, but that's not the concern at the moment. So we can see that it won't add. So this is the new data. So the wrong validation will not be added to the database. Now some of the things I want to point out here is in the database, if there is an error, it will just throw just like the validation we did here. Now one thing you need to understand is the ID of the customer ID. So this is the most difficult part to do because it's auto increment right after 9. So what I have done is I have get the count of the total rows in the record and just increment it by 1. So every time we add, it will just count the number of rows it has and add the number 1. So that's how you actually give the primary key, because it always needs to be unique. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.